So these are the pieces for our blouse. I have a plain white back because I ran out of fabric. So the back is all in one piece, cut on the fold, and we have drill holes here. So the drill holes are to indicate the dart at the back. Because we only have one single dart in the middle, that just indicates that it's not a very big dart. It's only a 2 centimeter amount of fabric in at the waist. The back attaches to the yoke, and so we've got a double yoke here, double layers, shazam. So double layer yoke. This is our front. It has a funny kink on the side seam. That's because there's a dart there, and you'll also have a drill hole as well. So there's and you should have the notches here too, so that dart will get sewn like we showed on the finished sample. It also has a grown-on facing, it's called. Not a very attractive term, but so this extension at the top. So we've got our front neckline, and then our front neckline is faced by this facing. So this will fold back to here, and this is our center front. It's where the buttons and buttonholes go. And we've also got interfacing for this as well. So after I go through these, we'll just show you the fuse press and how the interfacing gets fused onto our front facing, and then it's just folded back along the edge there. Okay, so we've got a one-piece collar, but of course to make a one-piece collar you need 2 pieces. So we've got 2 pieces of fabric here, just cut 2, and then a piece of fusing. The fusing goes on to the top layer, which is the layer that you see on the collar when it's on the body. And that'll get pressed on. This is our sleeve with the gathers on it. So that's why it's got this lump at the bottom here, because that's what's gathered up at the bottom, and it sews onto a band here. And the band, just to give it a bit more support, is fused along one side, and you can see here the top of the sleeve is quite big and bulgy, and that's because we've got some notches here, which are our front and back balance notches, but they also indicate where the gathering starts as well. So 2 notches for the back armhole, 1 notch for the front, and you should have a shoulder notch as well. And that'll all be gathered at the top and gathered at the bottom. And this is our smaller sleeve, which just fits in flat into the armhole. And this is the one that has the fold-up cuff. So this gets folded to the inside, and then this edge is overlocked and stitched, and then that is folded up there, and then that's what creates our cuff on the sleeve. And so now we'll go and fuse our pieces.